Welcome back, guys. We are starting this topic. Let's give it Crypto 101. In this topic, I'll be giving you a general introduction to cryptocurrency slash crypto trading. The first is we're going to look at from the basics. This will be able to enlighten any general person that has no idea about cryptocurrency, what is cryptocurrency, and that has no background or any knowledge of crypto trading. So I want to introduce everything about cryptocurrency and crypto trading to you. So the first thing is we need to understand the meaning, the definition of cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency, as you can all see on the screen, a cryptocurrency is a digital or value or vital currency that is secured by a cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized network based on blockchain network, a distributed legal enforced by the separate network of computer. Now, what are we talking about cryptocurrency? As we can see, let's just bring out the first phrase. A cryptocurrency is a digital and valuable currency that is secured by cryptography. Now, that means, what are they telling us? Cryptocurrency is an asset, is a digital asset that is very valuable. It can be used for anything, and the most important thing is it is very secure. When we are talking about cryptocurrency, the most secure asset on earth is cryptocurrency, because it is being secured by a cryptography, which make it impossible to be counterfeit or do double spend. Shey you understand? You cannot spend it twice, you cannot do any mistake with it. Once you send it to a chain, it goes to that place. Once you send it out, you send it out. Once you bring it in, you bring it in. Do you understand what we are saying? Now, for those people that are coming and that do not understand cryptocurrency is a very valuable asset. Now, I'm going to be making use of some screenshots, some stuff on my phone. So just play along with me as I take you down to this journey of cryptocurrency. Now let me just go to the stage of cryptocurrency which we started from. Now, cryptocurrency does not exist in a physical form like a paper money, and it's typical not issued by a central authority. That means cryptocurrency is decentralized. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized currency, and it's a decentralized asset. Now, when we are talking about cryptocurrency, it's the best thing so far anybody can generate on anywhere on this earth. Now, we have five important things to note about cryptocurrency. The things you need to note about cryptocurrency. What are the things you need to know? That okay, if somebody is asking you to come into cryptocurrency, what are the first things you need to know? What are the things that affect cryptocurrency? Number one, cryptocurrency is digital. It is a digital asset. As you can see in this definition, a cryptocurrency is a digital or volatile currency that is secure by a cryptography. Now, it is a digital asset. Now, when we are talking about digital, is something you cannot hold as a paper. You cannot hold it as a metal. You cannot hold it like as a cowries. You cannot do trade and once you are doing the trade and barter, the trade and barter is a digital trade and barter. You send it from one end to another end. That makes it so secure. So you have no issue of, okay, I'm sending this cryptocurrency to this person, and you'll be scared of hijack. You'll be scared of thief. People can come and hijack you. Sure, you understand? It's so secure. There was a time like that ago. I did a transaction for a new guy. I'm sure he's still going to get this video, and he will find that I'm using his story as an example. He's a brother, a very close brother. I introduced him into cryptocurrency, and I told him about cryptocurrency. Now he came into the system. I explained about cryptocurrency to him. So I told him about cryptocurrency, and I told him, okay, let's just come in, get this coin and stuff like that. But he came in and he now purchased the coin. He gave me, he transferred the money into I actually helped him to purchase the coin then, because he was just in a hurry. He's not ready to do, let's just get it immediately. So he sent the money to my account, and I got it immediately. I transferred the coin to his wallet directly. So to cut the long story short, something happened from my wallet. I use a Rocky account for that transaction. So bless me, something happened then. So the Rocky account, I don't know what's really going on with Rocky then. I make the transfer to his account also, but along the way, the crypto does not get to his own end. He start panicking. Oh boy, money don't go. So as Yoruba adage now, owo lo ma boju ore je. Now money dey spoil friend's face. So once you give your brother money and you are not getting the results, you start thinking different thing about your brother. Omo. So I'm very sure he has started saying a lot of things about me, and I'm not seeing myself like a bad person. Why did I even introduce this thing to this person? So, but one thing I'm so sure of is I make the transaction. I did the transaction. Nothing can happen to this transaction. So what I just asked him to do is, okay, take all this information. I sent everything to him on screenshots. Follow chats with the customer, with the help center. Tell them you are getting a stuff like this from me. This is my username, profile name. I give him all my informations also. Which, like 1 month after, he refused to do it. I told him, guy, you need to charge them up. This money is there. It's there. It's just waiting for you to activate it to come to life. So he said, are they going to do it? He started losing faith, and I just encouraged him, and he chatted them up. All of a sudden, he just chats me up that, okay, it has been resolved. The money has eventually reflected on his wallet. Wow. I'm the happiest man on earth. So I told him, can you imagine? Now, what did I want to bring out is, it is so secure. You can never lose any money. If the transaction is being carried out, you will never have a reason for you to lose any transaction or lose your profit on cryptocurrency. Even for like a month, this person is not seeing his transaction. I'm telling this person, I've make your transaction, and he's not seeing it. Maybe if you send money to my bank account and it's not coming up, maybe you are here to send it. So now he chatted the person in the help center up, and the money reflected to him. The same value came out immediately. Sure, you understand? So we need to be rest assured about the security. I've jumped to number 4. So it is digital and it is so secure. The security in cryptocurrency is the number 1, top notch. So it is very secure. Now, the second one is, it is an asset. Cryptocurrency is an asset. Let's take an example of your gold, your your silver. If gold and silver is like all the stones we are seeing in our day-to-day, in our ground stone, I'm very sure nobody will want to put money on gold and silver, because we can easily pick up a stone outside, because shebi we are saying gold is stone and silver and gold is stone, because we have the supply is too much. We have a lot of stone outside. So what really matters when you are going into cryptocurrency, when you are the things you need to check is, it is an asset. How can you go into it when you are trying to now choose the cryptocurrency you want to get? If you are okay, let's now assume you want to go for gold or silver. If you are going for gold, why do you want to go for silver? Why do you want to go for gold, not for silver? Okay, why I'm going for gold, why I'm going for cryptocurrency as an asset. The gold and silver is also an asset. The way your gold and your silver is an asset, it's still the same thing like your cryptocurrency. Now let's not assuming if you are having 100,000 naira in your account, and your salary is coming in 100,000, and you're just saving it in your bank account, it's still going to be the same thing. Your salary coming into your account, your savings coming into your account in your bank account is not giving you any asset. In fact, the bank is removing their bank charges, ATM charges, monthly charges, stupid charges, and every other thing. They will tell you, even without making any transaction, they will remove charges from you because you have money. Let's assume you have 1 million in your account. At the end of the month, your 1 million will not be 1 million, because they must have removed 50 something naira for your ATM charges, UBA banks, GTB, stuff like that. They will remove your money again, so you will not be having 1 million again. At the end of the day, you will be having 990 something, 999.50, because maintenance has been done and you've been debited for what you don't even use. The wallet, the ATM that is even in your wallet, in your pocket. So those are the things that are not you need to understand about cryptocurrency. Now, if you are bringing out that 1 million, investing it on an asset, purchasing a gold. Now, when you purchase a gold, at the end of the day, we have an increment in dollar rate, and dollar rise from, if you can see, the beginning of this year, I think we started dollar is off from 300 and something naira or something, if I'm correct. So now the level where dollar is now is, the last time I bought a USDT is around 578 USD per dollar on USDT. So now 300 to within a year. So assuming you invest your 1 million, instead of you putting it in your bank account, put it in a cryptocurrency, and by this time you are purchasing, you are selling out, you will not be getting, you will be get at times in cryptocurrency, your value, the way you get your value, it's like 2 or 3 ways, because you are going to get value, you are going to get your profit in value, and you are going to get profit in increment also. What am I saying about value and increment? When value is the value, your money, if you are purchasing a coin, if you are purchasing that coin at the rate of 100 naira now, and you are purchasing worth of 1 million, you purchase a coin of 100 naira at the rate of 1 million, you are now purchasing 1 million coin at a rate of 100 naira. Now you own, if you are to calculate it, let's assume 1 million divided by 100, that's going to be 1,000 or 1,000 coin or something. Let's calculate it. It's something simple. Let me just show you here. Sorry. If you are calculating, let's 1,000, yeah, that should be 1,000. 100 divided by 1 million. I think I'm running 1 million. You said 10. Okay, 10,000 divided by 100. So that means you are having 10,000 units. Let's assume we are purchasing a crypto of XRP. Let's just give it, I'm just giving an example. XRP is sold for 100 naira. When you are making the purchase and you are purchasing XRP of 100 naira per unit, and you are using 1 million to purchase that XRP. Now you are owning 10,000 units. That 10,000, this 10,000 is your 10,000 units. Now you give it a time, you now invest it, because we have different types of we are still coming in. Let me just explain more. I'm just trying to explain this side. Now 10,000 units. Now your value is going to increase. Now if you are investing it and you are leaving it there, as time goes on, in the next 2 months, 3 months, when things has affected the XRP and everybody are just the demand and supply affects cryptocurrency, and there is much demand in XRP. People are now purchasing XRP, and everybody is just going for XRP. Now XRP will now increase from that level of 100 naira. Let's now assume XRP now jump to 500 naira. XRP jumped to 500 naira. When XRP is at 500 naira now, and some people are still coming in to purchase it at that same level, and somebody wants to still make investment of 1 million again with XRP. So if they are doing that, it's at 500 naira. How many units are they getting? They are getting 22,000 units, and you have gotten 10,000 units. Now if you make you make your own investment as early as possible, as at when XRP was still 100 naira. This person is coming in as at when XRP is still 500 naira, because he still know that XRP is still going to maybe like 1,000 naira or 700 naira, 600 naira. They still want to make their gain, and you've make your own purchase, you make your own investment as at 100 naira. Now as at 500 naira, you can start giving it out. Now let's now go back. Your gain, you that make a purchase and XRP now boom to 500 naira, what's going to be your gain? Let's now calculate it. When you are now doing it, that will be if you are calculating it and you are selling 10,000 units. Let's now say 10,000 times 500. You are having 10,000 units with your first 1 million purchase, which is 10,000 XRP. So now if you want to sell your 10,000 out, which you invested with 1 million, if you are now selling that 10,000 units, which is now 500 naira per unit, you purchase it at 100 naira. When you are selling it out, you are getting 5 million. 5 million. That is a very cool business, a cool investment. No bank can give you this. Nobody can give you this. Cryptocurrency has come to this world to solve a problem. It has come to this place to solve a lot of problems. All of a sudden, you see yourself become a millionaire now, and in the next few 3 months, the law of demand and supply can make it drop immediately. Also, maybe when we have that, let's keep on going on. I'll explain that further. You don't need to be scared if it's going up. You don't need to be scared if it's coming down, because cryptocurrency is manipulated, and the joy of cryptocurrency is this manipulation. We enjoyed cryptocurrency because it has been manipulated. If cryptocurrency is not manipulated, we are not going to become a rich man. You will not be able to get 5 million from 1 million investment. And if it's not manipulated, your 5 million will not drop to like 500,000. And for when it's dropping to like 500,000, it's not as if you are losing your money. Don't forget, your units, your quantity still remains the same. So it's only toiling with your value, which the value will still drop. The value is not constant due to the manipulation. The value is going up and down, up and down, up and down, ready for it to skyrocket. Now if it's coming down, that means the wheels, we have a lot of things that affect cryptocurrency to come down. like is it this year or last year when everybody are just shouting Bitcoin owó ti kú wá so ó mà ti táyé mà ti ṣe cryptocurrency owó ẹ̀ ṣé you understand, you've done a lot of mimic, a lot of comedy was being posted because of people doing crypto. But let me explain some things to you. When they are doing it, many people now, are they giving you any bad news again? People will only be lamenting, especially Nigerians, will only lament when there is problem, when you are not enjoying this system again, and which is a very good thing. If you understand this game, if you can understand my class, you can understand all what I'm telling you, you have no issue. When you see all of a sudden you have ₦1,000,000 in you purchase a coin with ₦1,000,000, and the next morning you are waking up, you are seeing 700,000, you have no issue about it, because you know that in the next morning again you can just wake up and you are going to see 2,000,000. It depends on what is going on. Now let's go back to our class, to the next step. So now I've been able to explain as cryptocurrency as an asset. Now to the third one, cryptocurrency is decentralized. Now cryptocurrency is decentralized in form of, it is being accepted all worldwide. Everybody, nobody is a middleman. Nobody will stand as a referee. Nobody will stand as, okay, will be the one to be the charge before you can get this money as our central bank. Like when Nigeria banned cryptocurrency, and they banned cryptocurrency for them to bring out their own e-naira. You see, it's very crazy. Sure, you understand. Now, are they now telling us to go into cryptocurrency because they also launched their own e-naira? What is e-naira? It's also a crypto. So we are still on the same channel. Now, what are the things that affect? Okay, let me just finish it. Now, decentralized form. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized chain. While because everybody can come in, everybody can go out, anybody can come in all over the world. Nobody can stop you. You can do your trade. That is why we are giving this class, for you to be able to be a dependent, to be a free man, to be able to control and get revenue for yourself. It is a very decentralized system. Now, the fourth one, which I've explained, cryptocurrency is a very secure platform. So I've explained that. I don't need to waste your time anymore. It is volatile. It is volatile. Cryptocurrency is volatile. The volatility in cryptocurrency is when you can, all of a sudden, it can go up, it can come down, it can pump up, it can come down. It's not a line stuff. It's not going to be there on a daily basis. Crypto is going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, go up. It will pump. All of a sudden, if it's not volatile, we will not be able to purchase a coin of 100 naira, and it will pump from 100 naira to, the value will pump to the demand, and the demand will now make it to 500 naira, and for us to be able to generate 4 million extra from our main capital. So I've been able to explain this one. So now the next thing we are going to show is, now, what are the things that affect cryptocurrency? What are the things that affect the prices? What are the things that affect the markets, the cryptocurrency markets? No, now as a newcomer, as you are coming in, I've explained cryptocurrency. I've explained why you need to own a cryptocurrency. I've explained the reason why you need to own a cryptocurrency. Now, what are the things you need to understand as a layman for you to know that, okay, cryptocurrency, if you are seeing something like this and this and this, is still part of cryptocurrency game? What are the things that affect cryptocurrency? What are the things that affect the price? What are the things that you have to watch out for as a learner if you are coming in as a newbie? be if you are coming into cryptocurrency. Number one, the political and legal cryptocurrency can be manipulated. Now let me go into let me explain the when I'm talking about manipulation. I've been mentioning manipulation. Yeah, cryptocurrency is being manipulated. It's being manipulated by laws and rules and social media and the big people, the big men in the society, the rules in the system. Whenever anything, if cryptocurrency is not, when we are talking about manipulation is a bad signal. Maybe in a football game, if they are telling you they've manipulated that match, that means ojoro is there. Something has been done. Now, why do you need to come into cryptocurrency that is full of manipulation? Because you need to come into this system because we are enjoying the manipulation. If it's not manipulated, you will not wake up all of a sudden, you will purchase a coin of 100 naira and you are seeing it at 500 naira, which you will be able to sell it out and bring out your gain. That is the manipulation. You are enjoying it. We are enjoying it. And all of a sudden, the manipulation will come in again. People, you will just see a tweet from the government, which the policy and the legal issue, they will just sue any crypto like XRP. XRP is facing an issue maybe from the beginning of the pandemic, and all of a sudden, everybody starts selling their XRP. Pam, 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 pam. Don't let me be the last person to bring out my profits in XRP. Everybody, because one thing about cryptocurrency is the demand. Let me take you to okay, I will be able to explain it in the next class. In the next topic, I'll be saying the things you need to hold. So I don't want to be going to and space and coming again. Sure, you understand? So then you really need to understand all these things. Like Nigeria come up again and tell you we are banning cryptocurrency in Nigeria. Why are they doing that? Because they want to launch their own crypto. They want people to buy because it's going to affect the economy of Nigeria also. So they are trying to they are also manipulating. Now, are you hearing anything about cryptocurrency anymore? Nobody is shouting about cryptocurrency again. Now, it can be affected from all this. Now, the things you also need to know that social media also can cause news and social media. It can also affect the price and of cryptocurrency, because all of a sudden let's take an example of all these important people, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, the whales. When we are talking about, I've been mentioning whales. For people that did not know whales are the big people, the cabals, the rich people, the Elon Musk, the Mark Zuckerberg, the rich men, the Chinas, the Germanys, people that owns a lot of portion in cryptocurrency, people that have up to like 500 Bitcoin, 10,000 Bitcoins. Sure, you understand? These are the whales. These are the people that has a lot of money to pump in and bring it out. They can just bring it in, pump the market and bring it out again, bring it down all of a sudden. So these are the manipulation we are talking about. Now, when we are talking about this news and media, all of a sudden you are going to hear a tweet from Elon Musk. Elon Musk will just tell you, I think he just did another one, Dodge. Everybody knows about Dodge. Now he has tweeted something about Dodge again. All of a sudden you need to see the movement of Dodge. All of a sudden, ever since then, Dodge has started doing wonders. Everybody have been, I think Dodge is going up again. I think I need to go and buy my Dodge. So everybody are now running eta skater on Dodge again. Let's see. Dodge. So Dodge is going up. If you can see, all of a sudden, let's see. This is 1 hour ago. Let's see 4 hours. Let's see 1 day. 1 day, you can see all of a sudden, that's 1 day. Let's see, when is this? I'm trying to see the date. If you are to see this one, this on the 7th, 2021, 07/20. So if you are seeing it, it goes and the growth starts picking up. Elon Musk tweeted and everything is pumping up again. It's pumping up again. It's pumping up again. With this, can you imagine? Within 15 minutes pump. This 15 minutes map is pumping, going up, up. As you can see in this screenshots, in this stuff now, Dodge is doing wonders again. Everybody are just running for Dodge, going for Dodge, all the way to 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 Dodge. So those are the things we need to understand. News affects it. Now, also, what can also affect cryptocurrency? Mining. The mining, it depends on, when you are mining, if there is much supply. Much supply will make the demand not to be much. When there is more demand, that means the supply is very little. There is no much supply. There is no much production. That means the mining is not much. And Joe, the mining is not much, and it gives us little price. It gives us little. The demand and as I told you, demand and supply affects cryptocurrency also, because if the mining is much, let's now move to the next question, to the next topic, which you are going to understand what I'm talking about, the mining now. What are the things for you to own as a cryptocurrency user? If you know you are coming into cryptocurrency, what are the things you need to use? What are the things for you to be using, for you to know, okay, I'm also into this business? No. Now, the first thing you need to know, you need to own is there are some applications which you have to own. There are some sites you need to know. Like the first one I'm going to give you is CoinMarketCap. As you can see, the application is on my phone. You can easily go to your Play Store, your browser, and see CoinMarketCap, coinmarketcap.com. So continue to CoinMarketCap, or not yet now. I just need to show everybody what we are going for. Now, let's try to see all. Now, very good. You are going to see the first one. The father is Bitcoin, the mother is Ethereum. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Tether, Solana, XRP, Cardano, USDT coin, Terra, Avalanche, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Binance UST, USD, Crypto.com, Wrap, go. We have thousands. We have as much as, in fact, don't be twisted. We have Gala, we have EOS, we have Pancake Swap, a lot. The more coins are coming into existence, and all these people will now be taking it, getting their own. Okay, I can go for this coin because they know. It depends. They will accept, all these sites will accept coins based on their volatility. Sure, you understand? So the way they are saying it, that okay, this coin is going to do well, that means it's not going to be rock pulled. This coin is a good coin. The use and the purpose for this coin is very good. the project for this coin is going to be fine. So they start taking it. You can see Shiba Inu is one of the 1000 on under Ethereum network, is the most important, in fact the most held coin all over the world. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is now pumping, as you can see. It's coming up. Shiba Inu, all which we know that is still very small. In fact, one Shiba Inu is yet to become a dollar, $1, one single dollar. In fact, it's even yet to become 1 naira. 1 naira self is yet to become 1 naira. So, and is in number 13. That means the purpose and usage of this thing is going to be high. Everybody start adopting it. Now, what am I saying? When we are talking about the things you need to understand when you come to Coinbase, you need to understand the reason, the exchange. You need to know the volume, what and what, how many of this coin do we have? How many of this coin do we have in exchange? Shey you understand? How many do we have in market? What are the things, cap market? And you need to see everything. You need to know let me try to, I think this is not giving me what I'm trying to see. Okay. Let's see. Now let's use Ethereum for example. We are having like 276 billion 801.450 volume Ethereum. The more you can see is not on that stage, is dropping down. The more people are consuming it, the more lesser is going down. Let's now go to Dodge. Let's see Dodge. What's this? Volume 11,400 and something. In fact, this one is fucking much, trillion or something, or billion. So now we need to understand, those are the things you need to know the volume, you need to know the usage. You can easily go to online and check. Let me give you another site you need to understand. You should own Binance also. Binance is also doing perfectly well in that aspect. Binance also, they are also into Binance is also into this also, so which we are going to explain the more. So let's come out. You can see, as you can see, they are going to show you everything. Now let me go to should I still wait at this place? I'm trying to show you some things. Volume trade. All right. Now you can see all what I've been saying. You can see we have 41.400 and something Binance. We have all these. The first one at the top, the let me explain to you. Let me just screenshot and I'll be able to. Now the first one at the point is the volume. The next one is numbers of the way it's coming out, the price, everything as it's going up and down. So those are the things you need to understand. But the more you come into it, you can just go to various sites. We have Coin Market Base, we have Binance, and we also have all other coin am I using. I love one coin. I think I love one coin apart from that. Let me try to see. Where's I love one other site that gives me my coin I think it's not on this phone, but I'm going to show you, should in case anybody needs it, I'll be able to show you the application. So let's move forward because of our time. Now, the next one, let's come back to I've been able to explain cryptocurrency for you. Why do you need to come into cryptocurrency? Have explained all those things. Now let's come into trading. What is trading? We need to understand this because what is crypto? No, sorry. What is cryptocurrency trading? What is cryptocurrency trading? All right. Now, free with your scribes, constitution, no. Enjoy professional platform, instant order, exchange, low, friendly. Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on currency price movements via a CFD trading account or buying and selling the underlying coin via an exchange. Thank you very much. Let me go again. Cryptocurrency trading is the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements. So now, as we can see, cryptocurrency trading is a very simple thing. They've given us the explanation, which is the trading is a cryptocurrency trading, the act of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements. Yeah, here in cryptocurrency trading, you are speculating. Okay, because we know the market is being manipulated. The price can never be on a fixed level. It's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So now many people now comes in. Okay, Binance now comes up with their trade. In Binance, we have two types of trade. We have spot trade. We have feature trade. I was able to screenshot it some minutes ago because I don't want whatever we are doing. Let me just grab it out. Yeah, this is yeah. We have spot trade, which is this. We have spot trade, and we have this is the spot trade, and we have features. Spot trade and features. Now, what is spot trade? What is features? Spot trade is quite different from features, but let me explain the feature. Should in case for everybody that has been hearing, cryptocurrency make me lost everything I own. Cryptocurrency is not good though. You can lose all your money, you can lose all your capital, you lose your everything, you lose your assets. All those people that you are hearing bad news, everything from there, don't mind them. They are coming here, they are actually making a feature trade. They are making a feature trade. One thing about feature trade is at feature trade, you are telling Binance, come, I need help from you. I need you to give me 50. No, I'm having $1,000. $1,000. Let me be able to write it well. $1,000 for a trade, and I need to trade. So Binance will now tell you, I'll give you loan. Let me give you 5 times 5 of the loan. They'll give you double, like triple of, like times 4 or times 5 of your capital. They might give you 5,000, additional 5,000 for you to trade. Now, if they are giving you 5,000 more for you to trade, if you are going for any loan from bank, you don't need to go to bank loan. Immediately, you can get the loan from Binance, and Binance will tell you, okay, this is what you need to do. What you need to use as your collateral, this $1,000 is your collateral for your 5,000 that you want to use. So that is what you are using for your collateral. Now your 1,000, your standing $1,000 is the collateral for your 5,000 you are adding to your trade. Now what you are simply telling Binance, you know what is the definition of crypto trading? Let's go back to the definition. Is the act of speculating cryptocurrency price movements. You are telling Binance that, okay, at this point that I'm coming at this point. Let me go to Binance. Let's go to Binance for me to be able to explain to you very well. Let's choose Ethereum. Now let me enlarge it. You are going to see it something. Let's go say, okay, Binance, I'm coming at this level of 4,000. See, you see it's going up. Let's assume, can you imagine? Okay, let's go 4,006 is going up. I'm entering the market. I'm very sure that this thing will not come up again. Let me have a screenshot so that I'll be able to explain it to you. Now let's come up with it. Let's say you are now telling Binance, come, I know what I want. This is what I want. Give me that loan. And I'm coming in at this point. I'm coming in at this point of 4,006 dollar. I'm so sure that the price will be going upward. It will not come down. It will get to this point. You can now sell off. From this point, take my profit for me. Binance will now tell you, okay, are you very sure of what you are saying? You tell him, yes. Are you sure? Yes. Am I sure? Yes. Okay, no problem. Binance will give you the loan. And let's go back to the trade. Let's see for ourselves. Let's just go back and see for ourselves. What are we seeing now? We came in at 4,006. Now the chart is 4,005. Immediately is going downward, and once your trade is not going along your charts, immediately, oga, you don't lose all the money. Money don't go. Owo don remain waso. In fact, you no go even see waso comot. All this money, the $1,000 is on the wrong way to destination. You don't lose this $1,000. Now $5,000, you know, you borrowed $5,000, and after borrowing this $5,000 and you've lost your game, after losing this game, the $5,000 will go, and what your collateral for this $5,000 is this your $1,000. Now once you are losing the $5,000, they are taking your collateral along with it. You are losing everything. So it's a game lost. Then you hear people saying, cryptocurrency is not good though. Don't do crypto trading. Don't do future trading, because they want to get their gain one day, once and for all. Now let's welcome a new technology which is being invested all the way from China also. Let's go to, I want to be showing you everything online so that you'll be able to go along with me and you see what we are talking about. Now let's go to let me now introduce a platform that make trade so easy for us, that make trade, very convenient, that we can actually be doing crypto trading, we can actually be speculating, we can actually be giving targets, we can be saying price, we can be getting our gain on each movement of the markets, on each price movement of the market, without recording any loss or any debt of loss. We are not going to record any loss, and we will be getting our gain. We will be getting our gain, which we are going to use is not, we don't need the one to is not we are not the one to be doing this trade. By a help of robots, we are going to use a robot to make our trade. Robots has made this trade very easy for us to be able to achieve this. This robot is, we are just going to make a setting for this robot. Okay, this is the setting according to the amount of money you want to use to do your trade. Then you give the setting. You don't need to be online, you don't need to be there, you don't need to have a data. You can actually have this setting running for over a month, over 6 months, in fact for 1 decade. It will still be running. Your money will be coming in, you'll be getting your capital, you'll be getting your money. Now let me introduce you. I welcome you to the world of Royal Q. Let's search for Royal Q, which you can also do on your own. I'm trying to show these results for you so that you will not be able to tell me this thing is 419 or no. We are going online. I'm searching everything. I'm giving you normal details you are going to search. If you are searching what I'm searching, if you are searching this, you are going to get the same thing. Now Royal Q bots, Royal Q trading bot. Now let's see it today with Royal Q. Passive income with Royal Q. You are going to be getting passive income. Now welcome to Royal Q Artificial Intelligence Royal Q Beginner. Now let's see. You are going to, this is the first assignment for you. You can do your research on Royal Q. You see a lot of things about Royal Q. You are going to see many things about it. I think from this place we should I think they are going to give us hold on. Oh, is this what I'm actually looking for? Okay. Now let me use this one before disturbing myself. Now one thing I need you to know is Royal Q, we have, let me go to my notes. We have Royal Q. We have Royal Q. Royal Q. We have Binance. Sorry, don't mind me. Just accept it like this. We have Royal Q, we have Binance. Now, let's come back to this place. Without Royal Q and Binance, we cannot achieve any trade. One thing is, I've explained how you can achieve your cryptocurrency, how you can get your cryptocurrency, the applications you need to use to purchase your cryptocurrency. It is very secure, everything. Nobody can touch it. Let me give you a story of Hush Puppy and all these our guys, Nigerian guys. These guys are still, all these security people, all these their rules, they are still yet to log into their Binance account, into their cryptocurrency account, for them to be able to collect all the money in their cryptocurrency. You can check it, it's online. Everybody knows all this story. Because why are they doing this? Binance will never give the asset to anybody. Now they are with FBI, I think wherever they are, I have forgotten. So wherever they are, their Binance account is still very much active, just waiting for them to leave the prison and come out and still become a millionaire, because all their assets is still there, growing on a daily basis. So why are we disturbing ourselves? Now, I told you Binance will give you, you can trade on Binance. We trade on Binance, and Binance is giving us feature trading. After giving you feature trading, you'll be able to log in. After doing all those ones, this is, I've been able to see it. This is the feature trading. If you want to trade, you come, you tell them, okay, give me this one. Once you are making the trade, you come in, you buy it, then you start the trade. Immediately everything will start working. Yeah, this is the feature, this is the sports. We are now using sports. I will not use sports to explain to you, because we have sports stroke quantitative trading. Now let's now come into royal q. You have to own, if you want to enjoy this stuff, you have to own a Binance account. If you have one already, fine. If you don't have, you are going to register your Binance account to be able to attach your royal q. Royal q is now like a servant. Royal q is the robot. You are purchasing a robot. How to start trading in Binance using royal q. Royal q account from the referral link. Using, let's forget about that. Once you are using royal q, you will now be trading on your Binance with the help of royal q bots. This robot is now the one in charge, helping you to get your trade being done in a very accurate way, which you will always just be getting a massive result, a massive interest. You will just be getting interest, gain. Why am I saying this? Is everybody, I know the next question, what people will be telling me, is it possible for us just to be, the market cannot, shebi you just said the market is being manipulated, and it will go up, it will fall, again it will go up. Yes, with the help of these robots, you will always be making money every blessed day on every side where the currency is going to, where the cryptocurrency is falling to. You'll be making money, trust me. Just enjoy what I'm about to show you. Now let me take you back to so as you can see, this is royal q. Let's go into royal q. What is cryptocurrency? I think they are just coming back again. A cryptocurrency is the digital currency that can be used to buy goods and service, but use an online legal with strong cryptocurrency to secure online transaction. Now, evaluation of money. They're explaining everything one after the other, evaluating money. We started, once they are evaluating the money, it all started from barters, trade by barters, to gold, to metal coin, to paper money, to plastic card, which is the ATM, which is to electric money, then to cryptocurrency. Now, thank you. From there, what is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading, we have the possibility, the emerging market, trillionaire, billionaires, high volatility, transparent, secure source, 24 hours, 365 days market, latest technology, permission permitting with promise of sorry, when I know I never blind. Promising return, wide scope of wealth accumulation in long term. Shey you understand? Challenge, lack of knowledge, needs to focus on market 24 hours, 365 days. Fear of loss, lack of experience, experienced people in the industry, seeking ideas from those having no experience. What are the things the challenge you have here is lack of knowledge. If you don't have this knowledge, these are the knowledge I'm giving you. Whenever you have, follow my channel. Once you are seeing this, subscribe to the channel so that you'll be getting frequent updates from my teaching. We are going to teach you how to do your setting, how to do everything, so you will get the knowledge from us. Need to focus on market 24 hours. If you are following the trend on my YouTube channel. You are going to see the way why and how you need to focus. It's not compulsory you focus, it is compulsory you focus. For those people that are busy, you don't need to focus. For people that are not busy, that like me, after going to my photography studio, resuming to my office, I'm the boss of my own. I can just decide to go to online and start trading. I watch my trade 24 hours. Even if I'm doing shoots, I watch my trade. Sure, you understand what I'm saying? So that it suits any side. It suits any side. Sure, you understand? Because you are not the one doing it. You are just monitoring how it's going and trying to calculate what is going in the market. You are just trying to become a professional. So if you don't want to stress yourself, fine. If you want to stress yourself, fine. So now the next one is, the challenge is fear of loss. If you are fearing, I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose. So fear of loss. So you don't need to be panic in this game. You don't need to be panic in this royal queue. But lack of experienced people in the industry, you need to once they are coming in, for those people that have registered, they will be introduced to mega Zoom calls, mega experienced industry people all over the world, all over. I'm going to show you some screenshots about Zoom meeting we did, how much people are generating under royal queue bot. I'm going to show you so that you will know that this thing no be beans, no be beans. It's not something that is very simple. It's not something that is just simple, or you are just saying, I beg, I'm not interested, jare. They have come with their 419. Note, royal queue is not a Ponzi scheme. It's not MMM. It's not anything. It's what I've been able to explain everything to you very well. Now, the next one is seeking ideas from those having no experience. When you are going to people that don't have experience and you're seeking advice, it's going to affect you a lot. Now, let's go to what is royal queue. Royal queue is a semi-automatic trading bot that trades cryptocurrency for you through the use of Binance or B. Another application has been added to it. So we now have Coinbase market in the system also, exchange and monitored in real time through the object through this of big data, adjusting itself by the market conditions in real time, 24 hours a day and days a week. So royal queue is all active, working for you, doing everything you want. Now, what are the things you need to know about royal queue again? Is registered in California, USA, headquarter in Singapore. All these are very important for you to know. If for all this, before you can come into anything, at times of MMM you don't see all these things, but all these ones, General Stock Corporated Affiliates in Incorporation, all information has been reserved. Wide experience in quantitative trading, strategy, research and development, system development and operation, experience in exchange, information technology, private. Shey you understand? Now let me explain the quantitative trading. Now, I've been able to explain the featured trading on Binance. Now let's come to to royal queue. Why royal queue is different from why royal queue is different from every other thing. Why is royal queue different? Okay, it's just very different in forms of royal queue is using a quantitative trade. Royal queue is using a sports is using a quantitative trade. So quantitative and feature. Now, binaries with feature, you lose everything 100%. Quantitative, what is the difference between quantitative? I've explained feature very well. Now, let's talk about quantitative. Quantitative is something that, in features, you have a $1,000, you got a loan of $5,000 to it, that's $6,000 for you to get your profit. You want to get the profit at the time. Now, in quantitative, if your profit you want to get is $5,000, quantitative will be trading for you bit by bit, 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 bit by bit. With this, you will not lose any money. Royal Q will help you trade in a very effective way that all these will be very okay. You are getting your reward from every single drop of the market, any single rise, any single drop. With this is the only way. This is how Royal Q is now helping. Okay, blah 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 blah. Let me just see. Let me just give me some minutes, and I will put that in front. It has a it has spread to 15 countries in the experience. It is expected to be in 30 countries within 6 months. It is expected to reach 100 countries within 1 year. It is expected to generate 1 billion USDT revenue for users within 1 year. So if you are still waiting for it, you are still thinking it's not genuine, you can still be doubting about it. But I'm still going to show you the real stuff about it. Royal Q advantage: quantitative system. A Royal Q quantitative system adopts a function of multi-storage and multi-tech with a smart quantitative merchant mechanism. The user only needs a content, Ethereum, Binance, or Wabi, select and crypto coin, and the choice and a single click to start. You don't need to start yourself. Once you are done with your setting, you just start. Quantitative negotiation: keep all your profits in your. Now, let's go to this. You keep all your portfolios in your Binance wallet or your EOB and Royal Q has only permission to execute orders and margin calls through a secure API integrated between the exchange and the Royal Q app. Therefore, your assets can be withdrawn immediately at any time you judge adequate. I believe you all understand this. At any given time, because your money is not on Royal Q, so you don't need to be scared if Royal Q will crash. Royal Q cannot crash. Your money is on your Binance. Everything is on your Binance. Royal Q is just the robot doing the trade for you. So once he's getting your game for you, you can trade. You can stop trade. You can decide to do anything from it. Now let's go to the next one. Gain speed in your trading with Royal Q. Real-time strategy. According to the different style of yours, one can adjust the real-time operation strategy. Royal Q will take you through the bull and bear. It will be beneficial for you through the bull and the bearish time. When it's going down, it's coming up, you are going to get it. Now, what are the things? Okay, let me how to start Royal Q. How to start Royal Q. One, the step is step registration. Registration is free. Royal Q request the link from whoever invited you to the group. Whoever invited you to Royal Q, ask the person to give you their referral code, because it's not possible for you to enter Royal Q, to join Royal Q without a referral code. You have to have a upliner. It is under a networking channel. So you ask for the referral code of the person that introduced you to the group, to the channel, to anything. Or if you don't have anybody that introduce you, I'm going to drop my referral code under this channel, which you can easily use for you. Then you keep on getting class from me. You can chat me up and become your mentor. I'll keep on putting you through for you to get whatever you want to get. So the second step is download the application Royal Q. Get the download store. Get to download store and get that one being downloaded. Step 3, activate your Royal Q. Now, this is where the money comes in. I mean, many people have been asking me the Zoom meeting we did yesterday. Okay, Mr. Dan, how am I what is the main capital for me to start this trade? Gone. Now, for you to purchase this trade, for you to start Royal Q, you need to activate your robots. You know, we are actually buying the robots. You are collecting the service of this robot. So you'll be paying for the service of the Royal Q dot, which is just $120, $120 on your activation. And you can use high level strategy on the Royal Q app for a full year. So it's a annual subscription. Once you are getting it now, you are getting it for a year. In fact, once you are going in, you will see that you will definitely make more than $1,000 in this game. You can make more than $5,000 within 1 year, and you are only registering with $120. If you are calculating it to, you can just calculate ask whoever that brought you in to help you confirm the USDT price, so you'll be able to get the actual price for your country, wherever you are, your currency. So now let's go back to this place. 3 ways for us to make money in Royal Q dot. 3 ways for us to make money. See, one thing I love about Royal Q is because many people will be telling me, Mr. Dan, you like networking too much. Mr. Dan, you like, so me, I love networking. It's good because it helps me a lot. I've been able to generate a lot of income from networking, so which has been helping me also in my trade. So now, 3 ways for you to make profit from Royal Q. The first one is connect app Royal Q to your exchange and enjoy the speed of trade. Now, once you connect the app to your trade, you start trading. Your trade starts and you start trading easily. You start recording. Let me quickly show you one sweet thing about the Royal Q. So let me just open my Royal Q now for you to see what I'm talking about. So this is Royal Q launching, and in a minute you are going to see the trade. So bam, this is Royal Q. Now I have some trades on. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So trades going on. So once it gets to their trigger time, once it gets to the target time, it's going to give me my profit. I don't need to keep. I don't care if it's on a floating loss. We call something floating loss. Let me explain the floating loss to you. As you can see on each of these trade, you can see minus 2.75% from here. Profit is minus 3.8 something dollar. That is $3 or $4, minus $4. Here on Shiba Inu, you can see minus 21.4. That is minus $22. Now on Solana, I have minus 13, which is minus $13. Now, there is no issue about that. You don't need to disturb yourself about that. You don't need to disturb yourself about this. All what you need to do. So, as you can see, I'm on floating loss, which I'm just waiting for my royal queue to, I'm waiting for everything to give me my profit. Now, as you can see, the reason why everything is on I'm not getting any updates presently now, because I'm actually, all my stuff is on one shot, and you can see floating loss, you can see minus 2% minus. Actually, these adverts you are seeing here that is giving me minus $3, this minus $3. Let me give you this good news. Let me give you this good news. Around last week, Avas is recording minus $50, and now early in the morning I was seeing minus $1, and now it's minus $3. That means it's coming up. Once you are seeing minus $6 minus, that means your trade is going deep, going bearish. Now, if you are on cycle trading, the more it's going down, the more you are making money. The more it's going down, the more you are making money. The more it's going down, the more you are making money. You don't need to disturb yourself. Let me explain to you. Now, let's assume you are on a trade, and this is your trade. You are making a trade of let's say, now you are coming in at this point. What's wrong with this thing? Come up now. Painting. Oh yeah, now give me another one. Now, you are coming at this level, and you make a setting to make it down to this point. You are asking royal Q to buy, maybe let's assume we are buying at, we are using $500. We want to use $500, or let's use $300. $300, and you want to be using 2020. We are doing quantitative trading. So quantitative trading will be doing it portion by portion. So you will not be able to lose any of your profits. With this, you are not the one trading. With this, you are not the one disturbing yourself. With this, the system is actually, the robot is trading without no panic. So you understand? Now, at the trigger point, you buy $20. $120 will go. Now, at this point, when it drops, it comes to another 20. It will buy when it drops again, it will buy another $20. When it drops again, it will buy another $20. When it drops again, it will buy another $20. When it drops again, it will buy another $20. If we are to calculate 20 divided by 300, where's the calculator? For us to know the numbers of margin call we are going to use, 300 divided by 20, that is 15. That means we are going to have a 15 margin call, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sure, you understand? So it will be buying it 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Now, let's assume the price is coming down from here to this place. It stops, it goes up again, it comes up again to this level, it goes up again, it comes down again, it goes up again. That's how the trade is going. That's how the trade, the price is going. It's come here, goes up, goes down, goes up, or down, go up, go up. At every given point, you are actually making, because let me give you the sweet part. Now, if it comes from level 1, say you see this first, second, third, fourth. Now, all this from 1 to 4th, they are going to sell together. Don't disturb yourself about that. They are going to sell together. Once it comes to the top, it will sell this 1, 2, 3, 4. I can easily show you that one on my AVAX. This is my AVAX. You can see I'm on my margin call, 4 margin call. Numbers of call, 4. So I'm actually holding on because I'm on cycle trade before. So I now decide, okay, I just want to stop AVAX. I don't want to trade on AVAX again. Even if I want to trade on AVAX, I want to add more money so that I will add new strategy. So let me just sell off. So I change my stuff to one shot. I can easily change it to this cycle trading, which you can see here. But let me go back now. Once you can see on that AVAX, I'm actually on the 1 2 3 4. I'm on this 4. That is why you can see that money in that big way like that, because it's not, it will actually calculate everything together. So once it gets to the trigger point for it to give me profit, it will sell it off and register my profit for me immediately. So all what I need to do is for me to be so patient enough and for me to just leave the money and for the robot to be making my trade for me. Now the good part of it is, if the 1 to 4 is selling together, when it comes to when it gets deep to the fifth one and it go back to the fourth one again, it will buy this fifth one because it has gotten to this fifth point. It will buy it immediately. It will buy the 20%, and once it get back to this fourth one, it will sell it off. You will record your own profits. Now at this level 5, this fifth margin called downward is selling individually. So if the market is so bearish, when everybody is shouting, I don't think so you are, and it's going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Let's assume the trade is in this level. Let's assume the trade is under this level. After getting to this, your first purchase, and it's coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. It's not coming up like this, coming, going, coming, going for like 1 month. Are you gaining or you are losing? I mean, are you making money or you are on hold? You are actually making money even when everything. And don't forget, it will be recording all these 4. I told you all these ones are going to be on hold because you are not making money in this place. Now it will be recording it as a floating loss on your system, but you are actually making money from the deep area, which is going up and up. Now let's say at the end of the day, like me, and you just want to stop this trade after making all your profit, and you now see that the money is coming up, or you want to end it, you just put it on one shot, bam. Oga, after selling at the top, just give me all my profits. I'm no more selling again. I'm no more doing this trade again. Very, very simple. So I'm sure from this place you are going to understand this level of market, and you understand me very, very well. So with this, you will be able to understand what we are saying. Now let's go to, what else can I show you? Let me show you how successful the order, how is buying. See, there's a sell, there's a new sell in Binance, there's a new sell in Binance Matic, there's a new buy in Binance Matic, which is giving me 2 point something dollar. So you can see profit is just recording. See all the records, see all the transaction, how it's going. 17 quantity is giving me price. So this is how it will be giving you the transaction. See all the transaction it has been doing on my system. See everything. It will be recording it, giving you the alert, giving you the notification. This is the robot. This is what the robot is actually doing. Sure, you understand? So you don't need to panic. You don't need to disturb yourself. You don't need to say, how is this thing going up and on like that? You don't need to disturb yourself. And all what you need to do is just for you to be active and be ready to move on. So this is all my own account, but I'm sure just give it some minutes, some months ago, you are going to be seeing $1,000, $2,000. I'm so proud of myself because I know my game is coming up. So it depends on the money you are coming with. It depends on the money you are using with. So now let's go back to our normal explanation. I've been able to explain the number one ways for you to make money on Royal Q. But now the second one is be part of Royal Q Traders social network and gain follower for your strategy. Now, if you are so good that you can set your setting, you can do your setting like me. If you can do your setting and you can give it out to my team, like you guys on my team, and you want my setting, on each setting everybody will once you are using my setting, I'll be getting 2 or 3% of your gain. I'll be getting profit from your work also. So from your 100%, when Royal Q have removed their percentage, you will give me 3% because you are using my strategy. So let's say somebody has no idea about strategy and I'm giving them my strategy, so they'll be giving me my money. I'll be getting money from strategy also. I'll be making money from strategy. Let's assume I'm able to give like 20 or 50 people my strategy, and these people are trading massively. They are even using $1,000, they are using $20,000, and me, I'm even using small. I can start making money from that. $23, 33%, 33. Money will just be keep on coming, pumping, coming in on a daily basis because I'm using my brain to work. You can actually use your brain to work and give them strategy, and they'll be making money and you will be winning also. There is nothing for free on Royal Q. There is nothing for free. Now the third one is share Royal Q with your friends, create an affiliate network and get the benefit, which is the networking aspect. If you register people under you, you are going to get enough membership. You are going to get enough bonus that can even make you a lot of people. In fact, a lot of people are not even after the trade, are not even after the setting. They are all after the networking. Let me show you the networking. The networking aspect is when you register your robot, you become a V1 member. Once you register your robot with 120 USDT, you become a V1 member. Bonus, when you are registering someone, you need one member to become a V1 also for you to for you to register under your V1. Once you register this one person under your V1, immediately you move to you get 30 USDT. 30 USDT under this person, and for each new license indicate in your referral link bonus gets 20%. You get 20%. No, you get 20 USDT for each new license indicate in your referral link. So on any referral link coming to you, you'll be getting 30 USDT under VIP1. Now, bonus gas 20%. You get a share of all gas generated in your first generation. Now, all those people you are bringing in, as they are trading, as they are working, you will get 20% of their gas generation. Once Royal Q is getting 20%, is getting their own percentage. All the money Royal Q is collecting from us as their own gas fee, money for them to use to trade for us, they are also sharing it for us. So immediately you get 20% of all those people in front of you are registering. You get it. You can see how wonderful all those things is. Now when you get to level 2, you are going to quantity qualification, register trade license in your referral link, team volume 20, active license, direct license bonus, so 40 USDT bonus, direct license bonus. People registering under you directly, once you are on VP2, you are getting 40 USDT, 40 USDT, 40 USDT. Let's assume you register 4 or 3. 40 times 3, that's 120. 120 plus 3 plus 30, the first 30 you did, that is 150. 150 minus 120 you used to register, that is minus remaining $30. You've been, in fact, they are going to give you your money back once you can work on networking. In fact, even without trading, if you don't have money to start the trade, you can actually start from that. So you understand. Now 30%, you get 30% a share of all gas generated in in your team from your infinite level. You get here. In fact, if somebody you did not know is registering somebody you did not know, and another person is registering somebody you did not know, you still get the 30% from a share to your infinite level of depth. So that is how it comes. In indirect license bonus, receive 10 USDT for each new active license indirectly at infinite. Once another people are coming, apart from, gas fee is quite different from referral. Once they are trading and they are working very well, you get 30%. Once they are bringing referral people, you get 10 USDT. How sweet is that? So you keep on getting money every day. You keep on getting money every day. Status, VP3 quantitative, you get 5 license. Team volume 100 active license. Build 3 lines with ranking V2. Direct license bonus 50 USDT for each new license indicated in your referral. You see, the more you keep on going up, the more your money keep on going up. Bonus gas 40 USDT. You get share of all gas generated in your team from your infinite depth of level. Indirect license bonus 20 USDT. Receive for each new active license indirectly at your infinite So per pool bonus 10%. Status up like that till your level VP3. VP3, once you get to VP3, your direct license is 60 USDT. Gas is 50%. Indirect license is 30 USDT. And per pool bonus 10%. Bonus draw VP, they're going to give you $1.150. So now when you get to VP5, the same thing happens. So your VP5 is 65 USDT direct registration. Gas fee is 55%. Indirect license is 40 USDT. Per pool 10%, and you keep on getting it like that. V6 also is there. So it depends on whatever you decide. That is all about Royal Q. So I believe I've been able to convince you and share you what has been going on in Royal Q, and let me be able to show you some things about Royal Q and some information I gather about the last Zoom. I don't want you to look at my own account. Don't look at that poor account. That account is very poor, my brother. So just look at this account. Now let's see. Not this. I think not this. It's still the same thing, but you can see the progress of the account. So let's just see. Let's see. Where is it? I think. Okay. All right. So this is the Zoom meeting, the global Zoom meeting we did. So let me show you wonderful things around the world. These are someone's account with 4,000. In fact, this person is gaining a day profit. Today's profit USDT. That day, the person generated 4,441.9 dollars. Can you imagine? Accumulative profits. This person has generated 388,000. My oga, this one a billion. In fact, now almost billion. You can just calculate it and see what we are talking about. A day the person is even bringing in the last day, the day before this 4,000 profit. The person, I think, on the 11th second, that is November 2nd, the person a profit of 6,200, and hey, oh boy, this is over 2 million, over 3 or 4 million a profit per day. And this person is also accumulating 20. That same person is also getting 23,000 US dollar, hey, per day. Now the same person is, profits cannot be the same thing on a basis. It depends on the flow of the market. Now see, 5,000, close to 6,000, 6,000. But let's say the person is able to has been getting 60,000. So that's a very big money, and the capital is using to bring it is so huge. So it depends on what you are coming in, and we can all get there. So now let's get a tweet. On that Zoom day, on the day we are having this Zoom, we got this tweet from Elon Musk. Someone said, Elon Musk tweeted, when it comes to crypto AI trading, Royal Q is my number one recommendation. So you need to know that Royal Q is something worth going for. Worth going for. So Elon Musk tweeted this tweet on 18 November 21. So, and they are sharing us this tweet on Royal Q. So on the Zoom meeting, when it comes to crypto IA trading, Royal Q is my number one recommendation. So you don't need to scare. You don't need to be scared. These are the setting. The setting you still be. I'll actually be teaching you how to do this setting in the next class, which you are going to know how to do the setting. I believe I've been able to explain the first class of cryptocurrency to you, and with this we'll be able to start the trade and you enjoy yourself. So these are the settings you need to see. The more the margin calls limits, whole position take profit, whole position take profit callback, margin configuration, buy in callback, distribution and take profit allocation. So all these cannot be done by yourself. Go back to the person that refer you and make sure the person give you their code to register. If you do not have a code to register, I'm going to give you the link. It's going to be on my link. Just use it and chat me up on my WhatsApp. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number on the Zoom on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel, so you can just chat me up privately and let me know you register under me, and I will add you up to my channel and my group and start giving you the tutorial, help you to grow your account to this level. So let's start 2022 in a very motive way, in a good 2022. Am I getting it? I think let's start 2023. Yeah, let's start 2023 in a very massive way. 2023, come 2023, start making money and become a professional also. I pray the Lord Almighty will be with us in the name of God. See you in the next video. Peace.